Old Alabama Gardener on how I make a super strength Comfrey Salve. Now I've made other videos on how to make the double oil infusion and how to make the dried comfrey powder and how to dehydrate the comfrey in order to make those two mixtures. And I'll put links in the description box below on how to get to them. Now you need some way to produce some steam to melt the beeswax, so you can use a double boiler, but I'm also going to use something called an Instant Pot here. We need a couple of 3 cups of water in the Instant Pot so we can make some steam to melt the beeswax. Now I'm using 2 ounces of beeswax, but if you want your salve to be more thick, then you can obviously add more beeswax to it. So here I have my beeswax melted, and I'm going to add it to the double oil comfrey infusion. Now here's the double comfrey oil infusion that I made earlier. It started to congeal a little bit, but it'll melt again. The oil was cold, so as I poured the beeswax into it, it started to set up, and then I had to put it back on the Instant Pot, put some more steam on it to get everything melted again so I could mix it up good. These vitamin E gel caps that I'm using are 400 IUs each, so to get my 800 I'm just going to add 2 of them. And I don't see any reason to add the encapsulation of the vitamin E. We'll just squeeze the liquid out. Stir it around, mix it in good, and then we're going to be ready to pour this liquid into the jars. Now remember, this is extra strong, so I encourage you to start with just a little bit on your skin if you're going to use this. Make sure it doesn't irritate your skin or that you have some reaction to it.